All right, thank you for joining us back. So in this video, we are going to be talking about our Thieves household cleaner. For this video, it seemed completely appropriate for me to talk with you guys in my kitchen, since this is one of the places that we use this product the most. So it is one of our most beloved products of the Thieves family. This is what it looks like right here. You can get this bottle, or you can get a much larger size, which will last you forever. It's so good, you guys. It smells so divine, it's super versatile, and it's very cost effective. So what makes this bottle of goodness so special? All right, it's first of all, super concentrated. It's plant-based. It can be used on virtually every surface of your home. It can be used in your car. It can be used in your bathrooms, your kitchens, your cupboards, your counters, your floors, your furniture, your toys, your carpets, your mirrors, your windows, your wood, your walls, your trim, and more. So if you're a little bit unsure about using it on something, you can test any hidden spot on any surface and see if it is right for you. I have never personally had any issues using it on anything in my home. It is so awesome. It smells so good, you guys. Like literally, it feels like Christmas every day when you clean with Thieves Cleaner. And it's one of the only pre-made cleaners that we actually use in our home. So it's safe. It's super safe to use around your pets and your children. It's created with naturally occurring surfactants. So if you remember what surfactants are, ours in this blend are made from coconut and sugars, which gives it a powerful clean without the harmful abrasive chemicals. So it's also septic safe, which is important for some people. And remember how I said it was ultra concentrated? Check this out. What this means is that I only have to add 1 capful of this loveliness to a glass spray bottle. And we recommend a glass spray bottle. I do use plastic spray bottles that I buy on Amazon for my sons so that they can clean with it. But 1 capful for 16 ounces of water, which is like a bottle this size, and that's it. And you have your all-purpose cleaner to use on everything. So if you purchase the 14.4 ounce bottle, which is this one, you're gonna get a little over 28 bottles of this with that dilution ratio. At the wholesale price, you're going to make a bottle of Thieves Cleaner for your home for 80 cents. So here's the thing. You can also put 2 or 3 capfuls if you're going to be cleaning something like your oven or a super dirty floor. We put it in our shampooer just the other day. I put like a capful each time I would change the water or the solution, and it makes your house smell so good. If you purchase the larger bottle of this, it's 64 ounces, which I recommend. You're gonna get 128 bottles of the all-purpose cleaner for 69 cents a piece. How incredible is that? Okay, so grab a glass spray bottle to use and a cute label, which you can get from Etsy, or you can make your own just for fun. And or like I said, you could use a plastic one, but if you choose to add in additional oils, especially the citrus oils, we would definitely suggest grabbing a glass spray bottle, because what happens is with citrus oils, if you don't know, it can eat away at the plastic and then it will end up in your cleaner and you'll be spraying it on your surfaces, which again would be much better than the toxic cleaners that people are used to using. But if you can, grab the glass spray bottles. They're super cost effective and they work great. The only time I use the plastic again is for my children so that we don't have broken bottles. So Amazon sells the glass spray bottles for an incredible price. I got this Young Living one because they have different promotions, which is fun. But you can get it on Amazon, and the less you dilute it, the more degreasing power it's gonna have. So that means if you have higher concentrations of the capfuls in there, it's gonna have more of that degreasing power if you need to use it for like your oven or your refrigerator or whatever else you might use it for. So you can also add a little splash, a capful or a little splash to your dishwasher or to your laundry. So this really kicks up the cleaning power. You guys, I use Thieves Cleaner in my laundry all the time and I absolutely love it. especially in my towels and especially in the boys' socks or any load of laundry that's super dirty. So stay tuned towards the end of our class for some other bonus recipes that you can use with your Thieves household cleaner. So if you would like to share with us, what cleaners are you ready to ditch and switch with for our Thieves cleaner? Share with us that in the comments, send us a message, talk to us. We love when people engage and give us feedback and talk with us about the things that we're teaching them. And if you're not such a newbie here, then what is your favorite way to use the Thieves household cleaner? Because if you comment, share, then that's going to help the other viewers that are in here that are just now learning about it. Like, how do real life people use this in their everyday lives? So thank you for watching. Again, please like, share, subscribe to our Whole Total Health channel, as we are going to bring more and more educational opportunities every single day. Thank you again.